In the first place, we have been warning the Chinese Coast Guard every time we issue statements in the past so many years that if the Chinese Coast Guard and the Chinese Maritime Militia will consistently violate the collision regulation, carry out dangerous maneuver, blocking operation, there will always be an instance that an incident will happen. So, luckily, hindi sa atin nangyari to, although we're not also happy with what has happened. But since for so many years we have been warning them that they need to behave properly at sea and they need to adhere to the rules of the road. Otherwise, this kind of incident will be happening. So it's not for the Philippine Coast Guard to be blamed. No? Dahil actually, PRP Suluan is the one being chased. And it's not us who is actually pushing them to increase their speed and do this kind of dangerous maneuvers. I think it's a fair assessment that the PLA Navy or the Chinese Coast Guard will also put the blame on us dahil tayo yung alam mo yun, yung tayo yung nagpapatrol sa sarili nating exclusive economic zone. And hindi nga natin alam what's the basis of them being there. But regardless of all this, no, we're still going to patrol our own waters because it legitimately falls within our own exclusive economic zone at patuloy nating susuportahan ang kaligtasan ng ating mga mines ng Pilipino.